Hey, in this video we're gonna take a look at this DVD box to show you guys. This is the Smurfs Season 1 Volume 2 DVD boxing. So I got this Walmart today. So recently I just got the Smurfs Season 1 Volume 1 DVD. This one is another one, it's new to DVD. So I was saying, let's take a look, take a cover there. There's the Smurfs, there's the Smurfs there. And there's the evil wizard Gargamel in there. That's what I'm saying. Here's the front, the spine, the back. There's a description there. Positive, you can read that. There's some episodes. See, there's some Paramount pictures in there. There's narrated in there. See, there's a Nickelodeon logo up there. Let's get open. Here's the disc of the Smurfs Season 1 Volume 2. So that is the Smurfs Season 1 Volume 2 DVD boxing. I hope you enjoyed this Nickelodeon shows. That's why take care. See you next time.